discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Great, man. So what's your name and what's in here?
My name's Terry Ray. This is 3 ZBX 18 D1s, V2s on a Slaps Audio 5K, wired down to 0.67 ohms. I'm down a sub. The bottom is 13 cubes, 14 cubes.
So 14 cubes bottom.
Yeah, 26 on the top, and I don't have it tuned. I haven't done none of it yet.
Okay. So with one sub down, what's the difference you're feeling or seeing?
I get more box rides, so I can, it being wired down is helping me out with the stuff down.
So you think it's almost louder or about the same with that one?
No, it's way lower. Yeah, it's not as good.
Not as good? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's hurting you. I know some people have had too much sub and they pulled one and they were like, whoa, it's louder.
Well, I had it on 2 Slaps 5Ks.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm down one, so I don't want to risk it.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, I got it. Looks good. And you built this?
Yes, sir. I built it 2 days ago.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And what made you invert versus regular?
I just seen it on videos, man. I have no clue what I'm doing. I actually, a little bit of YouTube showed me how to do this.
Okay, so. Sweet. Nothing wrong with that. All right, I was just curious. I know a lot of people invert either for cooling, the sealed section is too small, or they like the motor look, or they like to wire it easier. Those are the main ones I hear.
Yeah, I think it looks cool like that. It's all glow in the dark too, but you know,
really?
I don't have none of that done yet.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Yes, sir.
So pretty much a stock electrical, no upgrade at all.
Awesome.
All right.
I did the rocket fog gate online and figured out how to do the box.
Yeah. And you built into the vehicle?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was going to be a slide in, but I messed up on my measurement.
Okay. I'm gonna take a picture real quick.
Yeah. I'm gonna give her the beans for you. Clip City.
Okay.
I'll clip the hell out of it.
actually pretty efficient the way you built that. Good amount of cone area with the amount of power, good output. So you did a good job, man.
I did the rocket fog gate online and figured out how to do the box.
Yeah. And you built into the vehicle?
Yes.
Nice.
It was going to be a slide in, but I messed up on my measurement.
Okay. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, man. You did a good job. I know it's a work in progress, but it sounds good, man.
Oh, yeah. Good seeing you. And thanks, too.
You're welcome.